Want to log into your TikTok account using your phone number, but not sure how? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to log into TikTok using your phone number. Now let's get started. To log into TikTok using your phone number, open the TikTok app and tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Use Phone or Email. Enter your phone number and tap Continue. You'll be sent a text message with a verification code. Enter the code you were sent. You'll then be logged back into your TikTok account. If you don't have access to the phone number right now, you can tap Need Help Logging In. Then select the option to use your password instead. Note that a phone number can only be linked to one TikTok account at a time, so if you have multiple accounts, you can only log in with your phone number for one of them. That's all it takes to log into TikTok using your phone number. For more helpful TikTok tips and tricks, check out our full playlist of TikTok tutorials. Click the playlist on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.